Let's talk about platonic intimacy. This is something that I think a lot of us want to experience in our friendships, but we stumble along the way to get there. So, to clarify, I think it helps to differentiate between chemistry, closeness, and intimacy. Chemistry, as I've observed it, refers to having an organic rhythm with someone. It feels easy, it can be instant. I could have just met you tonight, and I feel like we have some kind of rhythm and unspoken connection. It's possible for us to have a chemistry, but have no knowledge of the other person. Closeness is often achieved through things like self-disclosure. So now that I'm learning a bit about you, I feel connected to you in a sense because I have more knowledge of who you are, how you operate, and I might maintain a sense of closeness and chemistry possibly during this time. But closeness wavers. And we might share a sense of closeness even though we don't really have chemistry right now in the season of our lives. But when it comes to platonic intimacy, Harriet Lerner puts it this way. Intimacy means that we can be who we are in a relationship and allow the other person to do the same. This requires that we can talk openly about things that are important to us, take a clear position on where we stand on important emotional issues, and that we can clarify the limits of what's acceptable and tolerable to us in a relationship. Allowing the other person to do the same means that you can stay emotionally connected to that other party who thinks, feels, and believes differently without needing to change, convince, or fix them. Intense feelings, no matter how positive, are hardly a measure of true and enduring closeness. It is only in long-term relationships that we're called upon to navigate that delicate balance between separateness and connectedness, and that we confront the challenge of sustaining both. And I wonder if the first step toward experiencing greater sustaining satisfaction in our friendships is understanding the difference between these three concepts.